You already know I am a little bit grumpy in the morning. Something that has been helping me through that. Excuse my counter, but these coffees are my latest obsession. You guys know I would not recommend anything to you guys if I wasn't really obsessed with it. I am very picky when it comes to coffee. The ones that you get in bottles and a lot of other regular coffees, those are actually really bitter, which is a problem. And then this came along. The best part, however, is that it comes in 4 different flavors. Talk about variety, talk about range. And I have been drinking these non-stop for about 3 days now, and let me tell you, I am in love. This is the Irish hazelnut. It literally tastes like hazelnuts. Another one of my favorites. Okay, when I talk about favorites, I know typically I should be doing one, but I could not choose one, so here are 2 of my top favorites. This is Butterscotch Delight. Personally, I don't like hot coffee. I love my cold coffee, and this little baby here, it's perfect for it. Since all of these are flavored, you do not need to add any sugar, which is a great thing. Another really cool thing, this is the world's first ever plant-based vitamins coffee. I personally could not really ask for anything more. I don't remember the last time that I ate or drank so healthy. This is making me feel pretty good about myself. I will show you guys my favorite cold coffee recipe right now using the Butterscotch Delight from Rage. Here is my huge mason jar. You can add sugar at this point if you guys want, but with Rage you won't need to. Next, I will add in a couple of teaspoons of warm water. Mix. As always, so smooth, no bitterness at all. You guys just have to try this out. I have a coupon code with Rage Coffee, which I will insert here, and it's also in the description, so you guys can save some money while sipping on your cold coffee. Now I can peacefully start getting ready and get along with my day. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about something that is a little problematic in my eyes, and I just really wanted to talk to you guys honestly and openly without having to worry about coming off as too rude, because I'm guessing by now you guys already understand my sense of humor and you know why I say things that I do. So today we will talk about desi skin lightening hacks by mega influencers on the internet. Let's start. Alright, so a quick little backstory. I did not actually want to make this video. This was not planned at all. I have these really tiny bumps on my forehead, and I was looking for home remedies to treat them. And while I was looking for that, I came across a lot of videos that were just so painful to watch. But surprisingly, they had a lot of views, which clearly means that they have found an audience that likes that type of content. Here are my honest thoughts about these videos. These hacks don't just not work, but they will also make you feel really bad and insecure about yourself. I mean, we all know the obsession that South Asia in general has with fair skin and fair complexion and looking like Casper. But these videos are taking things a little too far, to the point that they're actually funny, and I wanted to watch them with you guys.
लड़के ने अपनी फोटो भेजी, बोला यार मैं बहुत ज्यादा ना काला हूँ, इसको गोरा कर दो। अब मैं एक ऐसा फेशियल बताने वाला हूं जो तुम सैलून में 1000 रुपए में करवाते हो। 1 चम्मच कोकोनट ऑयल लेना, अपने फेस पे लगाना है, मसाज करनी है।
Guys and girls, everyone who's watching this, do not apply coconut oil on your skin. I don't understand what is this obsession that Indian households have with coconut oil. Coconut oil is terrible for your skin. It might look like it's cleaning off your skin like an oil cleanser, but it will clog your pores in the long run and you will have acne for years. I cannot believe someone just said. I lost a lot of brain cells because of that.
1 चम्मच पिसी हुई चीनी, 1 चम्मच विटामिन।
There is nothing more harmful for your skin than granulated sugar. Oh my god, I cannot even believe that I have to state these facts out loud because I feel stupid talking about it. Pisi hui chini has really sharp edges. Your skin will literally have open cuts. Don't ever scrub your face with sugar. I don't even know why this is a thing, but apparently it is.
काले लिप्स हैं या तुम फूक फूक के काले करते हो तो ये सुनो, हल्दी लो चुटकी भर, 1 चम्मच लो कच्चा मिल्क और उसके अंदर डाल दो रोज वाटर, ये 3 चीज मिला दो सुबह सुबह।
Bro, the only time हल्दी और दूध को एक साथ आना चाहिए, that is when you want to have हल्दी वाला दूध. Drink it. Don't put it on your face. I wish I could take a shot every single time someone uses हल्दी.
वीडियो जाके देख लो, नहीं तो रोज वाटर ले आओ मार्केट से, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। रात को बस 1-2 बूंद कानों में नहीं, आंखों में डाल के सो जाना।
If this was me, मैं इसको personally एक साइन लेती कि मुझे अभी बस बोलना बंद कर देना चाहिए because God wants me to shut the fuck up. I am not a medical professional, but I don't think it's exactly safe to put rose water, especially if it is store bought, into your eyes directly. You don't know उस रोज वाटर में क्या क्या मिला है, उसको प्रिजर्व करने के लिए इतने टाइम तक उसमें क्या क्या प्रेजर्वेटिव्स हैं।
तुम्हारा अभी कोई पिंपल निकल आया और अभी तुम्हारी कोई डेट है, इंटरव्यू है, कुत्ता है, बिल्ली है, जो भी है भाई, अभी तुम्हारा पिंपल निकल आया, पिंपल तुम्हारा हटाने के लिए 1 दिन लगेगा, उसकी एक अलग वीडियो है। ये वाली वीडियो में 10 मिनट में तुम्हारा भाई वो पिंपल दबवा देगा। क्या करना है तुम्हें, टूथपेस्ट लेना, टूथपेस्ट कोई भी ले सकते हैं, उसके अंदर यूकालिप्टस प्रॉपर्टी होती है बेसिकली, और एलोवेरा जेल मिक्स कर दो, उस पिंपल पे लगा दो, सिर्फ 10 मिनट। तुम्हें गोरा होना है बट तुम्हारी सेंसिटिव स्किन है, तो पहली तो भाई कोई फेयरनेस क्रीम ना लगाओ, उसके अंदर बहुत केमिकल्स होंगे, तुम्हारी तो स्किन ऐसी छेद।
Let's talk about this. You want to get rid of acne, that is understood. You want to get rid of your dark circles, dark spots, fair enough. Pigmentation, understandable. Oh my god. But gora hona hai. If anyone didn't know this already, you cannot change your skin tone. You just cannot. It's all dependent on something really beautiful called melanin, which is found in really high quantities in Indian skin, hence the glowy brown skin that we are all blessed with. Oh my god. But let's just keep watching.
2 चम्मच एलोवेरा जेल, 1 चम्मच हनी, 1 चम्मच रोज वाटर, आधा नींबू निचोड़ दो, पूरा मिक्स कर दो और इसके बाद आधा चम्मच हल्दी डाल दो।
I am so pissed at this guy. Applying lemon juice directly on your skin is going to burn your skin off. It is way too strong for your skin.
बहुत ही ज्यादा हम स्ट्रेस में चल जाते हैं ना, हमारी आईज हो जाती है छोटी, काफी बार ऐसे छोटी हो के हमारी आईज लाल हो जाती है, अंदर ही धस जाती है, छोटी सी अंदर ही हो जाती है, और भाइयों यहाँ पे काला एरिया भी बनाती है। इन सारी प्रॉब्लम का समाधान तुम्हारे भाई के पास है। तौलिया लो, छोटा सा तौलिया होता है, उसको गर्म पानी में डिप कर दो, उसको फिर निचोड़ दो और वो भाइयों यहाँ पे लग दो। 10 मिनट के बाद ओरिजिनल साइज आ जाएगा और व्हाइट आईज आ जाएंगी।
I am honestly thinking about all the people जिन्होंने वो 10 मिनट निकाल के ये चीज ट्राई किया. I mean it's great for relaxing, don't get me wrong, but वो तुम्हारे आईज का साइज नहीं ठीक कर देगा.
भाई बेस्ट फेस वॉश बता रहा है भाई वर्ल्ड का, जो कि तुम्हारे घर में अभी बनने वाला है. 3 चम्मच चंदन पाउडर, 2 चम्मच बेसन, आधा चम्मच हल्दी, ये तुम्हारा बन गया पाउडर.
I am honestly conflicted कि ये फेस पैक फेस वॉश बता रहा है या फिर ये ब्रेड पकोड़ा बनाने का रेसिपी है, बिकॉज
अपने भाई की तरह, क्योंकि तुम्हारे भाई का भी बिल्कुल सेम स्किन टोन है भाई, ऊपर से लेकर नीचे तक. नहीं तो कोई लोगों का ये होता है कि यहाँ से ऐसा पोर्शन लगता है कि अफ्रीका से आके इतना काला होता है और ये पूरा.
I think I have had enough of these besan, haldi, dahi, lemon juice recipes. Personally, I don't want to look at another lemon in my life ever again. No matter how much I laugh at these videos now, I was the target audience for these videos a couple of years back, right? I was the young girl who was insecure about her skin color because everyone I knew either wanted to get fairer or was already really fair. I mean, your skin tone is something that you are born with. You know how people with really pale skin, they crave a good tan, and people that do have brown skin, tan skin like us, we crave pale, fair skin. This is exactly how multi-million companies and industries work. They profit off of your insecurities. It blows my mind how it is literally part of a generational trauma. This is something that has been going on for generations, and I think it will go on for a couple more generations till we all collectively just decide to stop obsessing over skin color. And personally, I don't have a problem with influencers and content creators making content like this, but I mean, especially when you have such a big following, do you really want to use your voice to feed on other people's insecurities and profit off of their vulnerability? I think not. I think it's potentially dangerous, and if anyone has suffered like me, like everyone else that I know, if you have wanted fairer skin when you were a little girl, or you still do, please know that your skin tone, your body shape, they do not define who you are. I think that is about it. Again, this is in no way meant to demean or to hate on the creator that was constantly shown in this video, but I still do not agree to a lot of things that he has to say, and I still do think that he can use his influence in a better way than asking people to get fair. That is about it. That was my rant. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys had fun too. Please let me know what you guys think. If you guys genuinely think these videos are helpful in any way, then let me know. I would actually love to get another point of view. But if you do think that I was somewhere right, and if you had fun hanging out with me, make sure that you like, share, subscribe, do your thing. Thank you for all the love and support. It just means the world to me, and I will see you guys the next time. Make sure that you check out Rage. The coupon code is in my description, and if you do, let me know. Alright, bye. I'm done. Bye. Oi, coffee pee.
तुमने बनाया? रेज का कॉफी है? हो गया?
हाँ.
हुआ?
हाँ.
God damn, the girl is quick, huh?